Hey there, health enthusiasts. Did you know that the humble garlic clove, sitting quietly in your kitchen, packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits? Today, we're diving into the wonders of garlic and why you should definitely make it a staple in your diet. First things first, let's talk about some fascinating facts. Garlic has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans recognized its value. And get this, during World War I, it was used as an antiseptic to prevent gangrene. Pretty cool, right? Now on to the real magic. Garlic is loaded with nutrients but low in calories. Just 1 ounce, 28 grams of garlic contains manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, and fiber. Plus, it's got a decent amount of calcium, copper, potassium, phosphorus, iron, and vitamin B1. Talk about a nutrient powerhouse. But what about the science? Well, recent studies from prestigious institutions like Harvard, the Mayo Clinic, and Cleveland Clinic have revealed some groundbreaking findings. For instance, a study from Harvard showed that garlic can help reduce blood pressure in people with hypertension. Another research from the Mayo Clinic found that garlic can help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease, and it doesn't stop there. The Cleveland Clinic's research highlighted garlic's potential in boosting the immune system. They found that garlic supplements helped reduce the severity and duration of the common cold by 70%. Imagine cutting your sick days in half just by adding a bit of garlic to your meals. So, how can you incorporate more garlic into your diet? It's super easy. You can add minced garlic to your salads, soups, and stir-fries. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, try roasting whole garlic cloves for a sweet and savory treat. The possibilities are endless. Alright friends, that wraps up our deep dive into the power of garlic. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and remember, a clove of garlic a day keeps the doctor away. See you next time.